Hi ladies and gentlemen, Chet here from Avion Technology here in the northwest suburbs of Chicago. We are a digital agency that works with other digital agencies to help scale them up, turn them around, make them more profitable. That's my little elevator pitch. It took me 16 seconds. Okay, good. So what do? Essentially, smaller agencies, usually, owners stressed out, running after sales, so they need good delivery partners, good vendors who can deliver, right? And that's how they scale. The owner concentrates on getting the sales, the delivery partner delivers, and that's how the business grows. A lot of smaller agencies struggle with that. That's where we come in and help you scale up. So if you're a smaller agency looking to scale up, give us a shout. These are my coordinates. So in this series, I've been discussing pet stores. Why pet stores? Well, I've been discussing Main Street industries. All these Main Street different services that are on Main Street in any town, any small town, let's say. And what are the different services that they need now. A lot of these businesses have very extremely dated websites, right? The websites are really old, they probably don't work as they should, and they're losing out a lot of business because there's business on the table that they are kind of losing out on. So what we are attempting to do is create more awareness about what is a good website, because I always say it's a trifecta. It's your website, it's digital marketing, and then it's your apps, right? Your website has to be eye-catching. It's like you at a networking event. You gotta be well dressed, you gotta be well groomed. That's the first thing, but that's not enough, right? That's just how you get your foot inside the door. Next thing after your website is you need social media. So SEO, social media, something which creates the awareness. So those people, the visitors are coming to your website. That's the second wheel. The third wheel is actually apps. What apps do is they kind of keep folks engaged because of the push notifications, right? So apps are not for new business. Apps are usually for getting more churn from your existing clients. So get that, you have a website which is like your online, it's the online extension, online version of your business. You have SEO, SMM, social media, all these different visibility marketing things that you do, which is like driving folks to your store. And then of course you have your app, which is how you kind of engage with your clients and get more business from existing clients, right? Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, if you're a pet store, this is for you. In my last video, I showed 5 auto body shops that I liked. In this video, I'm going to talk about must-have functionality for an auto body shop, right? If you're an auto body shop, a website is probably the last thing that you think you need. Why? Because you are out there, most of your business comes with referrals, existing clients, old clients. Why the hell do you need a website? Well, after the pandemic, more and more visitors are coming to websites to get closed, to see more. So the website is doing the job of the salesman, right? The website is what sells, right? So you showcase your subject matter expertise on your website. That's doing the selling. You will see that a lot of people actually come to your website, and that's where the closing happens. That's where people know whether you're legit or not. So if you have a website that sucks, that doesn't load properly, that has like images all mishmashed, that's not a good. You're losing a lot of business that way. So what are the functionality that you need for an auto body shop website? Number one, you need a user-friendly nav. Definitely need a user-friendly nav. A nav are like the signs you see at the airport, right? If you don't have good signs, people are going to get lost. Number one. Number two, you need service descriptions, right? Because people won't know what the heck you do. And remember, with the website, just because there's like a proliferation of websites these days, you need to show all this information in like 3 seconds. So your website has to be really good. So service descriptions, what does your website have? What do you do? What are your specialties? What are things that you're good at? What is your proficiency, right? All that stuff. Next, before and after gallery, right? Especially for auto body shops, we saw a car came in, it was total, and this is what we did, right? Always helps, portfolio. Appointment scheduling, no brainer. If you have appointment scheduling, that's gonna save you so much stress, 100%. So you need appointment scheduling, write that down. Customer testimonials, social proof. Nobody wants to be the first person to go to a party. I always want to know who's been there first. Nobody wants to be the first person to do anything. That's why you need customer testimonials. Customers need to know who has been your shop before, and what did they do, what you can do for them, what did you like. Absolutely. Next is contact information. What are your store hours, how can they get in touch with you, where is your location, what's the closest exit, all the good stuff. Mobile responsiveness, yes, because most of the customers now are coming through mobile platforms. A lot of, not so many people. I think it's like 60-40. So 60% of the people use mobile, 40% use desktop. So yeah, mobile. You need a blog, you need a resource center. Why do you need that? Again, subject matter expertise. You want people to kind of know. You want to showcase your subject matter expertise. Next is social media integration. Again, 100%. And if you're an auto body shop card, you need to be on Instagram. You need to showcase your stuff. You need to be on Instagram. Next is FAQ section, frequently asked questions. Again, helps. A lot of people have a lot of questions. If you have a really good FAQ section, helps. Same for orders page. Definitely need that. Certifications and affiliations. Highly recommend this. Why? Because you are a specialist. You are a specialist in what you do. But people require proof. Right? So if you're a part of any society, if you're a part of any association, if you're a part of anything, make sure you showcase that. People want to see that. Next is promotions and discounts. Helps. If you're running offers, it helps. Chat support. Now with ChatGPT, this is extremely easy, right? So yeah, chat support. Payment options. You need an online payment gateway. Appointment setting and payment gateway are two functionalities which are a no-brainer. Everyone should have this. If you're not taking payments through your website, you need to. If you're not setting appointments through your website, 100%. Last is privacy policy in terms of service. Again, this is something that I recommend. Just to be protected, right? So these are all the different functionality. You can find the list in the description below. Ideas, right? This is just for an idea. There's tons of things you can do, tons of things you should, which I've not covered. There's a lot of things out there, but these are like the basics. If you have an auto body shop, look at my last video, which I did, where I said, where I showcased a couple of nice auto body shop websites. Take a look at those, and take a look at this video to see all the different functionality. Right?